All right. GM, bro. GM. Kenny Powers, good morning, sir. How are we doing?
Yo, what up, Cheese? Happy Friday. Doing good, man.
Yeah.
Doing good.
I didn't know what time I was going to be starting the space today. We're going to dive in that just a second. GM, an idiot.
What's up, dude?
Are you smart enough to find your microphone button? And you are. So yeah, GM to you, sir.
Yeah, I can find that one. Can I mute again is the question.
Yeah, that's true. Imagine if X did what Discord did. Like you said, there was some update and I didn't see this update yet. So maybe I need to go back and check and see if I am due. Because Kyle's saying now you can just have your phone locked and mute
on Discord.
Discord.
Yeah, on Discord. Yeah. I got an update somehow or another to where I can now, mute and unmute from my lock screen. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. But anyways, we continue on. Yeah, I was supposed to have a team call this morning for DM. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, and nobody was in the fucking call on Wednesday. And then on Friday, now today, they said, no, we're going to push it out till Friday. I'm in the fucking call once again, waiting, and nobody there with me. So I was like, you know what? Start my space. It is what it is. And if they call me in somewhere and I disappear, then just take it away. You know what I mean? It shouldn't be a very long call anyways, but I don't know. I don't know. People need to get their shit together, is all I can say. But anyways. Kenny, how did USA end up faring last night?
Bro, we gave up a goal right at the end, lost 3-2.
Get out of here.
What?
Yeah. I mean, well, it was pretty expected. I mean, we benched 9 of our starters in the game. Because it was a meaningless game for us to play in the sense that we already locked up our position. We're playing Bosnia in Santa Clara. I believe Bosnia is Pup Cup's team.
Yeah.
But so it was in a sense, it was a meaningless game as far as where it might put us in the standings.
Yeah.
So we benched a lot of guys. We brought in Pulisic in the second half. He did pretty good. He looked good, back in form. But just gave it up at the end, 3-2. Unfortunately, we lost that one. It would have been nice to go 3-0 in the group stage and have that momentum going into the next round. But we'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, it was kind of expected anyways. If they're benching that many people, what does it really matter? They didn't need to win, so all good. I have some K9 to claim over here. I've just been stacking a little bag of K9 this entire time. I might even get up to enough K9 where I can go get a pixel pup, which would be pretty fucking dope. What other World Cup news do we have to look forward to for this weekend? Is there anything that is happening that we need to pay attention to as far as big games?
I mean, there's more games coming up, but we just have today and tomorrow. As far as the first round will be complete after tomorrow.
Okay.
And then the knockout round starts next week.
Okay.
We're looking pretty good. Actually, I believe we have today, and today's the 26th, right? So we have the 27th and the 28th. I think we have 2 more days of knockout round today and tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 more days until the knockout round. Today, tomorrow, and Sunday as well. But the knockout round starts on the 29th.
Okay.
So, that's where we're at.
All right. Well, we'll get it. Are you going to be predicting any this weekend on what are you doing? This is all on Coinbase, right?
Yeah. I just do it on Coinbase because they basically have Kalshi built in, so instead of having to transfer funds or whatnot, I just do it through Coinbase.
Nice. Yeah. And there was a tweet saying that Kalshi is now the official prediction market of FIFA. Is that right?
I did see that. Yep.
Yeah. So big news for them. I mean, bro, these It's either 1 minute. Who do you think's bigger, Kalshi or Polymarket? Who do you think has more mind share?
In the U.S., I think it's Kalshi.
Okay.
Just because, I mean, look, you can use it on. They have it on Robinhood. They have it on Coinbase. They had like the presence in the United States before. You were able to use Kalshi legally in the U.S. before Polymarket. So they just have that step up.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, people know of Polymarket in my circles, like outside of crypto. They also know Kalshi. They just don't know how to pronounce Kalshi. That's the biggest problem. Is the branding issue there. But hey, they're fucking they're doing their due, man. You know, they every week it's a new partner. The biggest one is this Wealth Simple, allowing Canadians to now be able to do prediction markets in Canada. So yeah, shout out to the people up north, the Canadians, the Canadians. Yeah, so yeah, did you so you lost money last night on the US?
I did lose on the US, yep.
Well, that sucks. I hate to hear that. Don't like seeing people lose any money. Speaking of losing money, probably going to lose money on man's chads here.
Dude, tell me about it. Speaking of losing money, I just weaved a bunch of dumb shit to hurry up and buy one of these. And as soon as I had 0.01 worth of WETH, I don't remember ever putting in a WETH offer on a Gloob, but somebody weaved me a Gloob for 0.01. The fucking floor on these is 0037 right now. I don't even know how that just happened.
Oh, on Gloob. Gloob has been the main account. Why is my wallet not connected? I hate. It's like all of a sudden OpenSea will be like, fuck you, and disconnect all my wallets. And it's aggravating as shit. But yeah, the Gloob's account actually posted that there's going to be like a burn mechanism coming for Gloob's where you pick a Gloob, okay? And so I'm gonna go through this. So here's the idea: stake your Gloobs and earn ascension points over time. Choose one Gloob as your champion and focus all of your progress on it. Burn Gloobs to earn bonus points and speed up your champion's journey. Unlock new evolution stages as your champion grows. Climb the leaderboard and see how your progress compares with other holders. They are more evolution stages coming, more mechanics and more ways to interact with your Gloobs are on the way. So it's almost seems like they're kind of going with like a normies type feel where you're going to be able to burn these things and possibly be able to like, I guess, build the traits up and make them a stronger Gloob. Not really sure, man.
I mean, I've got 6 Gloobs. So cool. I like their IP. Yeah. I didn't want to pay 3x the floor for a common as fuck one like I just did somehow. I don't even know how that just happened.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway. So I got one. I got one of the man's chads with the remaining funds that didn't get somehow weased out.
Yeah.
GG's to whoever got that though. Somebody stuffed a Gloob in my asshole for 0.01 just now. That's hilarious.
So I picked up 10 of the man's chads. I'm probably about to list them all. And
you couldn't have had them for very long.
Well, I bought them at 0.0015.
Okay.
I bought them just like it was right as they were selling right after mint. So, you know, not quite a 2x, but it's like, are these cock faces are they gonna do anything?
They're funny.
Yeah, they are funny.
They're funny.
How high did Penimals get?
Penimals made it over 0.01. I think Penimals made it well over 0.01 there for a little bit.
Okay. Why can't I get the... Oh, I gotta log in. Fuck. I'm not logged in on this other account. That's why.
I was just listening to another space before this, one of those like smaller, like the Metabus type spaces. I don't know who the host is, but it's like that group of guys, and they were all talking about them. They were watching the mint, trying to mint. Obviously, the mint got spotted to fuck as soon as it hit the first come, first serve. There was only 200 left at that point anyway. And then, they were buying some though. So I think there's at least some consensus that these are in fact funny, at least.
Yeah, I don't know. There's 500 traits and 150 one-of-ones. Like, is that too fucking many, bro?
I mean, it doesn't bother me. I think, one of ones, they're always going to have a premium. It's just how premium do you want them to be? Some collections have 4 or 5 one of ones. Some have 10 or 20. Sometimes you see 50 or 100. I don't have a problem with it. It's just, the only thing I have a problem with is when they start fucking with the rarity after everything's already minted and people are buying based on rarity. That I don't like. As long as everybody knows what they're getting into to begin with, it's kind of up to the founders.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
Yeah, no, I agree. Madman said, still waiting for y'all to realize it's always been Ultra Kingdom's Cyber Ape Yacht Club. He has a tweet here, Boardwalk 78. The Strait of Lucid Realm are always open and much cooler looking. And it looks like the Strait of Hormuz versus some gameplay from Ultra Kingdoms. And I know they actually, I think they have a PlayStation deal or something on the way. So yeah, they're doing their due. They're doing their, how much are Cyber Ape Yacht Clubs? Let's go check these fucking things out. What's your guess on these? Anybody?
I don't know. A lot of stuff that's not super well known, but does have a community is probably around 0.04 to 0.06 right now. If I had to guess, I'm going to guess 0.04 to 0.06.
0.1211.
God damn. How big a collection is it?
We have 10,000 pieces.
Really?
Yeah. Am I not?
How do I not hear about these
Hold
more
on,
often?
hold on. I don't know if I'm looking at the right collection because this is 6.2% unique owners. There's no fucking way. There's 600 people hold. Oh no. They're all staked. That's right. So yeah, there's 38.95 that are staked. But yeah. I mean, bro, he's talked about these things for fucking 3-4 years in our
for sure.
in our comments. So we just keep fading the guys. So we're not fucking bullish enough, I guess. We're not Adam Weitzman enough. Kenny, speaking of that, yesterday you said some like wild shit. Adam Weitzman was gonna buy the Beeple node thing for like $250,000. I told you it would barely crack 100K.
Yeah, you did.
And there's where we landed, $106,000 for the winning bid from Node. Beeple said, massive thanks to everyone and super appreciate the support from Adam Weitzman. This motherfucker is literally holding up the space at the moment. We're lucky to have him for real. Like, bro, this guy has to run out of money at some point, right?
No.
I mean, he's just buying everything.
Yeah, but he's a billionaire.
Yeah,
I mean, buying JPEGs doesn't even affect you at that point, I mean, he could go sweep CryptoPunks if he wanted to, he might feel that a little.
Yeah, I know. But GG's Adam Weitzman scooping up the Alien Punk is an everyday 106K, not as much as the 69 million for the complete everydays that sold years back, but still pretty fucking crazy. Crazy to see that. What time we got? 11:23. Let's get to some market stuff, Kenny. See what the weekend's going to be looking like heading into things. What you got?
Yeah, well, things are not looking all that great. We're, Bitcoin's trying to get back up to 60 right now, which is good. I mean, it's trending up, but overall, it's testing support again around 58,000. Got pretty close to 58. I think it got as low as 58.3 at one point last night. But we're continuing to see, outflows from the ETFs, 424 million in outflows yesterday, approximately 1.43 billion over the past week of BTC ETF outflows. However, on the flip side, we are seeing an increase in like individual wallets buying. So it looks like, retail is kind of stepping in here a little bit and trying to buy at this support level. Some people think, this is the bottom. People think we're going to go lower, but somewhere in this range is probably, right around the bottom. So yeah, the good thing is we are seeing an increase in volume. Even though the price has gone down, we've seen an increase in volume and an increase in actual wallets buying. So that's good. Other than that, Solana's looking pretty strong right here. So Bitcoin just did crack 60. So we're back over 60. That's good. ETH is up 0.29% back to 1570. Solana up 7% back up to 7121. It's a strong rally off the bottom. Yesterday at one point it dipped down below, right around $65. But, over the past 24 hours, up 8.91%, up $5.87. So Solana's making a move right here. That's good. Hyperliquid up almost 6%, back up to 64.53, and Zcash up 2.5%, back to 408. So overall, still a little choppy, but most majors green on the day as of right now. We'll see if that can continue and sustain itself into the weekend. That's just kind of where we're at right now. Just got to play day by day. But I do think the bottom is near. I don't necessarily think we're there yet, but I think we're close to it. Sentiment can't be any worse right now. You got MicroStrategy, the stock tanking. It's like $82 right now.
It's higher than it was. Weren't we in the 70s yesterday, or no? It was still in the 80s.
Yeah, it was right around 80. Sentiment can't be worse. CT's fucking imploding, right? These are all signals that the market's about to reverse, in my opinion. We saw it last year. When you're in that extreme fear, everybody's giving up hope. That's typically when you start to rally. So overall, it's just going to be, probably another choppy couple months, and then hopefully we get into that up only season.
Yeah.
So we'll
SpaceX up. About 4.5%.
That's at 155, somewhere in that range.
Yeah. 155. Kathy Wood looking like a genius. She
Yeah.
was just bidding the bottom of that.
Looking at NFTs, not a whole lot of volume. CryptoPunks up at the top, 214,000 in volume. They had 4 sales yesterday, but man, it's not a whole lot of volume. 11 Bored Apes sold over the past 24 hours for 158,000. You got Mutant Apes at 47,000. Pudgy Penguins, $21,000 in volume over the past 24 hours. 3 sales, just crazy to me.
Yeah.
Lil Pudgies, fucking 5.56 ETH in volume. 11 sales on Lil Pudgies over the past 24 hours.
The thing about penguin PFPs is, there's a couple collections that maybe have potentially a lot of downside in this market. There is one collection that has almost no downside whatsoever, sir. Do you know what collection that might be?
Pengs?
That's right, buddy.
Oh my
That's
God.
right.
Are you really comparing Pangs
a little ditty
to
called Pangs? A little ditty called Pangs, dude. Some penguins, they face to the left, brother, or the right, or whichever way. I don't remember which way the penguins face. Full disclosure, I have 15 of these things that I'll dump all over you guys' faces.
Yeah,
I'm being facetious here.
Yeah, I've got to go in my hidden folder to find these.
Pengs face left. No, like penguins, Pudgy Penguins face left.
Okay, then Penguins face right, maybe. I don't remember.
Yeah, no, there's only one left face in Pudgy Penguin. Big Pudgy's face right. There's only one left facing, and that's Adam Weitzman's.
I'm only joking. I'm not seriously shilling these. I am holding my 15 because I know the homie Big Rug is like trying to push these. He's like talking to the team and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I'm holding a bag of them. We'll see how it goes.
You are
definitely not expecting anything crazy though.
Yeah, I mean, hey, you never know. They could end up front running the main collection. First, they got to flip the Pudgy rods.
Yes,
and then that's when you move up.
That's when we take down little Pudgies.
Yeah,
and then we're face to face, beak to beak as it were, with the big pudgies. I
Yeah.
mean,
Are you excited about their Target drop of Peng vibes in Target?
coming to a hood near you.
Coming to a hood near you, yeah. Jesus.
T-Move Vibes TCG.
Yeah. Yeah, those things are whatever. Why is it it's like it's still not showing these things in my wallet. I don't understand it. Oh, I don't have them. Oh, they're hidden. That's right. I gotta go find these fucking things. Because I'm probably about to cheat every one of these bitches. Like, they're not gonna do anything, right? Kyle?
You do you, Jesus.
No, I'm asking.
I don't fucking know, dude. I don't know. You're asking me, brother. I'm still holding on my fucking creeps. What are you talking? What are you asking me?
Creeps are worth $265 a piece. These are
Yeah, they
fucking
were worth like fucking 25 G's a piece at one point.
And so were
brother.
CryptoPunks, and so were fucking every other NFT was worth
I don't know
millions of dollars.
I don't know what to tell you. I'm holding mine. That's all I'm saying. All right, that's all.
This guy's acting like these fucking creeps were worth once fucking a CryptoPunk. You know, all I can say is you should have sold the fucking top.
Oh, thanks.
How about that?
Holy shit, dude. What fucking Chinese restaurant did you get that fortune cookie from? Holy shit. What wisdom. Confucius say you should have sold.
Yeah. Kenny, what else is happening in the market?
I mean, not a whole lot, really. You know, looking at meme coins, not a whole lot of action over there either. You know, some of the coins that I like personally, cards, still slightly down on the day, but still sitting around 26 cents. I think that's a good buy at some point here. You know, I want to see it come a little bit lower, but you know, Collector Crypt is one of the top revenue generating apps on Solana right now, and you know, TCG. I mean, it's all over my timeline. I'm sure it's all over y'all's timelines as well. Yeah. Like you can't get away from it. So you know, if the you know Pokemon mania sticks around for a couple more years, I think Collector Crypt is going to do well. They're starting to dabble into sports as well. So yeah, I think it's probably a good buy. You know, buy and hold, just hang on to it. But yeah, other than that, means kind of flat. I know, you know, there's been a lot of talk from Ansem about what Pump Fund should do regarding, you know, like how to support coins better and this and that. Pump Fund ain't doing shit, bro. All they care about is making more money, you know?
Yep.
So, you know, that Hopium, you know, he's trying to rally CT. I saw him put out a tweet this morning, like, you know, you need to start bull posting. It's kind of hard to bull post right now. There's really not a lot to bull post about, but I feel him, you know, at some point things will turn, but yeah. Not a fan personally of Pump Fund. I don't think they're looking out for the traders. I think they're looking out for themselves. So
he was saying something along the lines of adding that Pump Fund should inject liquidity inside of tokens that are launching, right?
Yeah, no, they're not going to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, they won't even inject fucking an airdrop in people's wallets, more or less.
He was saying that Pump Fund should support like higher cap coins and inject money into them. But the thing is, like, they're not going to do that. They want as many coins being created as possible because that's how they make their money.
Yeah.
You know, the more VAMPs, the more coins being launched, the more liquidity pools they're able to set up through Pump Swap, and ultimately they're the ones who make all the money. Yeah. They're not going to do something to deter themselves from making the most amount of money they can. You know, so it's not gonna happen.
Yeah. No, I agree with that. Yeah, and then another post that I seen yesterday was Pumpcade, and I've on and off I've talked about what Pop Punk and these guys are doing. They have the Cade Cup sponsored by the Solana Foundation starting July 4th with a fresh daily balance. Predict on instantly resolved World Cup markets and climb the leaderboard. There's 5K in daily tournament prizes. You can pre-register now, refer friends for bonus play credits at K.market. Pop Punk said 5K plus per game, free to play. Pumpcade can't keep getting away with this. So make sure you get out there and check out Pumpcade.
Yeah, interestingly enough, though, the chart, if you look at the chart, they're down 22% today. I don't know what happened. Maybe a big whale kind of clipped out. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, it's sitting around 0.022 cents right now. So probably a good buy in this range.
So yeah, 22 mil. That's probably fucking is. Yeah, because it had been hovering around 28, 29 mil.
Yeah.
So I think all-time high on it was like 39.
I think it hit into the 40s, to be honest.
Did it?
But yeah, somewhere right around there.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, there was a dip. There was a massive dip down. Yeah, somebody must have definitely G'd it down. Looks like it wicked down in like 19 mil. So it's actually back up. Back up a little bit. But yeah. Other than Pumpcade, I did see the Blockheads mint. They actually put out the date for their mint. Talked about these guys. These are the ones that are going to be minting. And every day the fees are given back to the holders. Each day, I think 3 holders are selected to receive the trading fees of the NFTs. There's 4,444 blockheads. The mint is Tuesday, June 30th. So they've tested the fuck out of this apparently. So we will see how well this goes. Seems like it has pretty decent utility. So yeah, we'll go from there. Han said, have you seen Pixana? Yeah, we actually didn't. That's minting today, I think. I had this pulled up. The mint details. Yeah, it's minting today. Mint price is 0.0006, $1. 2 per wallet, 10,000 supply. I have the tweet pinned up at the top there. As of right now, it's minting. The floor price is $2.98. Right now, associates are minting. I'm on the Pixana list, which starts here in 20 some odd minutes, but a 10K collection. I mean, what do you, Kyle, are you looking at this artwork? What do you think of this artwork?
No, I'm not. Do you have something pinned?
Yeah, I have the tweet pinned up at the top. So
for Pixana or for Blockheads?
Pixana's up there. Is it not up there?
Did you just pin it?
No. Why are my fucking tweets not going up there?
I don't know.
I don't know why either. Here, I'll pin it. Right now. That's fucking wild. I could have sworn I pinned that thing. Yeah.
Pixana, so every pixel has a personality. I'm looking at their account now. This is kind of cool pixel art.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, pretty good.
I don't really know much about this other than what you were just saying, though, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean they have an actual fucking team. Like when you go to the on the about page on OpenSea, they actually have a fucking team. So like, which is really surprising. Yeah, I mean, do we scoop some of these? There's 64 out of 10,000 of them have been minted already.
Is it still in like the team phase or something?
It's in the associates. Pixana list opens up at 12 Eastern, and I mean it's already almost like 70% minted right now, 65%.
Oh, you said okay. You didn't say percent.
Yeah,
you said there's like 64.
65.
I thought you said there was like 65 minted.
No. 6480 out of 10,000 have been minted. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm wondering, like, do we grab some of these?
I ain't grabbing nothing. I got pillaged at all my little fucking shitty NFT funds for a fucking 0.01 goob earlier. So
Han said you can make your own on their site, and they're gonna burn them somehow.
Which Pixana? Yeah.
Pixana. Yeah. So I don't know if you're making like you get a blank canvas and then you're creating your own. Our mission is simple: to bring back the fun of pixel NFTs, collectibles, and revive the culture that made pixel art NFT special. Our focus, it's all just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Yeah, let me go check out their site, see what they got going on. But yeah, I mean, that was one mint that I that I seen here. So let's see here. Explore collection. Yeah. So yeah, burn in the lab. Pixana's highlighted deflationary system uses secondary sales royalties to fund future buybacks and permanently burn Pixana NFTs, reducing the 10,000 K supply over time.
Oh, mint it.
So they're going to be taking fees.
I'm not on till the Pixana list.
Yeah. That's where I'm at as well. You know what was weird? The man thing, the man's chuds. What are those things?
Man's chuds.
Yeah, those things. I wasn't even able to mint in it, even though it said that that we had whitelist because of NPC.
No, that was on
the first come, first serve. Yeah.
Oh,
it minted out. There was only 200 left when it got to first come, first serve.
Oh, okay.
It just minted out immediately.
Okay. All right. Well, they're hanging in there. 0.22 ETH floor price.
0.22 ETH.
Yeah, 0.0022. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kyle's like, fuck, I'm about to go cheat. I don't fucking blame you, bro. I would have fucking went and cheated too. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know, man. Do we grab some of these Pixanas? They're $2.76. I mean, that's a 2.5x for the people that have minted.
It seems like a solid enough whatever team ecosystem, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I don't know. It's better than some of this shit that we've been collecting here lately.
I know, like man's chads or man's fucking whatever these things
are. Kind of fun the shit I just bought, bro. You can find something.
I fucking have a bag of them too. So I'm just saying.
Come on, man.
Just asking.
Listen, man. NFTs with anthropomorphized penis faces are obviously the alpha.
How high did
Fair cycle?
How high did Pinimals get?
I don't know. I know they got over 0.01. How close they got to 0.02, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have my computer's not. I'm at work here.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna buy just a few of these. I'm gonna buy like 6 or 7 of them and see what happens. See if they kind of run up. I mean, the good thing about these is that they're PFPable. You know what I mean? I don't think there's going to be a lot of people on X running around with man chuds on their PFP.
Oh, yeah. Panimals really like almost. I think the height on Panimals might have been 0.0185 here. Yeah, they almost touched 0.02.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, fucking maybe we get some hope left there, Kyle.
Yeah, dude. Got a cool 2X on my penis face.
All right. Oh, my sweep was partially complete. So I did 3. I would like to get fucking 3 more.
I only have 1.
Of the Pixoma?
No, the fucking man chads.
Oh, bro, we keep bouncing around in different conversations. I'm fucking.
You keep bouncing around.
These fucking man's chud fucking things. I don't know. Maybe you get half off on eggplants at the grocery store. That'd be some good utility there. Eggplant sandwiches, Kenny.
This motherfucker goes and sweeps and then starts fudding his own bags.
No,
Crazy.
I wasn't. I'm talking about Pixona. I think these could be a PF. Like somebody would wear these as a PFP.
Pixonas are going to get it free eggplant at the grocery store?
No, I'm talking about the fucking other.
You keep jumping around. That's
bro.
I know. And then he accused me of jumping around, dude. Okay, Kenny, I'm glad you're with me, dude.
Everybody just calm the fuck down. How about that? Jesus Christ. Yeah, I mean, all right, I'm going to keep this mint window open. We got 15 minutes until we can grab that. But yeah, so Pixona, go check them out, see what you think there. There was another one that I had seen. Did you see this, Mirai? Did we already talk about this yesterday? Mirai? I thought I pinned.
Mirai?
Did I not pin? Did that pin not go up there either?
Nothing even came up when I typed that into OpenSea. Did you say Marai?
No, Mirai. This looks like another racer type. Oh, I don't know. The guy's in a car. Summer never really ends in whatever. 777 supply. Whitelist applications are live for 24 hours.
Oh, this is something that hasn't minted yet.
Yeah, no. But it's live for 24 hours, which will end here in about 2 hours. So make sure you go check that one out. Not really sure what it's going to be, but it's kind of anime-ish. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I just I didn't remember the name of that fucking project I was talking about the other day. The one that Racers and your boy. Oh, what's your boy from NPCs, Kenny? I was saying he was tweeting about it, and the artist from Racers.
Bray?
I can't remember what the. Yeah, no, something
Bray.
with a B. Yeah, Bray. Yeah. My bad.
Yeah.
What's
I gotta go find this account.
what's the latest with NPCs, Kenny? They seem kind of quiet on my timeline lately.
No, it's just an accumulation, you know. What do you mean it's quiet? Yesterday they put out the tweet about the playable characters, like the point stacking, and you're going to be able to claim these different tier of playable characters. I'm not exactly sure if it's another collection. That's my assumption, is that it's another collection that are going to be like playable avatars in some type of game. So yeah, I mean, the key is just stack points. The rarer the trait, the higher the points that you're going to accumulate, and then at some point you'll be able to use these points to get these different playable characters. So
Do you have a fuck ton of points?
I've got over 1 million. Yeah.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah, you fucking cooking, bro.
Hey, Kenny, can you tell the NPC guys, instead of talking about a game, can they just promise everybody a generational wealth airdrop real quick so that I can sell into the pump? Thank you. Anyway,
Yeah.
me and Cheese were talking about you this morning, KP. We were saying, I wonder if like NPCs just fucking rug, what would Kenny do for a PFP? I was thinking, like, I don't know what project would you? I was like, man, I wonder if he would do a quirky, a mutant, a doodle. I can't see you as an anime PFP, not a Mizuki. Probably not a.
Maybe we get a full
probably not a
docs.
Pudgy.
Like, I mean, Kenny's already doxed, but maybe we get a docs PFP.
Nah, Kenny's too cool to put his fucking docs face on a crypto account.
That's right.
I'm not a fan of doxed PFPs. Fucking put on a cartoon animal, dude. You know what I mean?
Okay. No docs, Kenny.
I'd probably go dig into my hidden wallet and just find the coolest, like, non-listed NFT I have.
Oh, I got plenty of those if you want them. I can help you out with that, sir. No problemo. Just whatever you need, you let me know and I got your back.
By the way, that anime project I was talking about is the Project Red. I'll pin something from it one more time here.
The Project
Red.
Okay.
Yeah, I just, some of the people that were tweeting about it is interesting. If the art looks like these, like I said, I mean, if the art's not bad, I just been burned one too many times on anime PFPs that aren't fucking Azuki. Actually, I would have been burned on Azuki if I wouldn't have been too busy getting burned on Somo. I'd have held that elemental the whole way from 0.5 to 0.08 or wherever they are right now. Which would have been better than putting the 0.5 into the Somo pre-sale, that's for sure.
Well, you can't win them all. You cannot win them all. No. Kenny, what do you make of? There was a project that I wanted to ask you about. Oh, we talked about this yesterday off the space, the Sofon thing. What do you think? What is happening there?
I mean, sunsetting their chain. Yeah, I mean, look, it's rough on the streets, right? Like, if you have no metrics, no users, people aren't using your chain, the burn, like the amount of money it takes to keep it up and running. If you're, like, if it's not feasible from a business standpoint, you're losing money month over month. What's the point in keeping the doors open? Just like any business, if you're not profitable, it's kind of hard to keep the business sustained if you're not making any money. I never really dug into the metrics on,
what they even did.
Yeah, but I can't imagine it was good. I mean, I haven't seen anyone talking about it on the timeline since TGE. TGE happened, they did the airdrop, and then that was it.
Yeah.
That was the last of it. And that's pretty, it's not surprising, but it's pretty on brand with kind of L2s right now. I mean, there's outside of base. I mean, I don't know what other L2s are doing good right now. I mean, Arbitrum,
Abstract is doing good.
Yeah, I'm talking about post TG,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Optimism, Arbitrum, a couple of those doing okay, but like for the most part, there really isn't any L2 that's like dominating, or doing crazy volume outside of base.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Base pulled a last cycle Solana yesterday and was down for a couple hours.
Yeah. What happened there? Do we know?
I never heard anything, but I just grokked it because I was about to ask if you guys knew. It says base. This is what Grok says. Who knows if this is true? It says base experienced a roughly 2-hour outage on June 25th due to a consensus failure triggered by an invalid block. What happened? 1603 UTC. Block production on base mainnet became unhealthy. The status page reported the issue. An investigation began. 1652, the team identified a problematic block interfering with subsequent block building. 1721, they isolated the root cause, a consensus problem where an individual block was sequenced. This prevented any new blocks from being produced after block 47 million, blah, 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 causing the chain to stall. Okay, so that's what happened.
Huh. Okay.
Wasn't until 1758 the network stabilized, block production returned to healthy levels, and so on and so forth. So yeah, okay. Yeah. What happened? An invalid block entered the sequencing pipeline and triggered a consensus failure. So that's what happened.
Okay. Well, I mean, hey, it's back up and running. There was no fucking exploits. I was waiting for an Opus 4.8 tweet to come out saying base is no longer existed. It's been evaporated and knocked completely off the whole blockchain's gone. So hey, we're here. Jesse, we still get to see the next wave of what Jesse decides is the best move for base, whether it's creator coins, creator markets, fucking, tell them what those guys are going to do. Bro, so there's a lot of rumors going around at this Heisted account is the same guys behind jail.fun and all that. Kyle, I've seen this on the timeline. You've interacted with the Heisted account? And good talk. Kenny, what about you? Yeah,
no.
Well, I probably had somebody walk in. You haven't? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. No, I never fucked with it.
Yeah, there's a lot of speculation on that. Whether or not that is the actual team behind the jail.fun. And then they did the other one. What was the first one that it wasn't jailed? It was where you were growing the wheat.
Yeah, it was like that weekend. I don't remember the name of it.
Yeah, and people fucking cooked, bro. Yeah, there was a pretty big cook for some people that we know as well. Yeah, I know we had one friend that made like 40-50 grand on that fucking thing.
Yeah.
He made a big old fucking bag. Unfortunately made some bad decisions afterwards, sweeping certain assets, but yeah, pretty wild. So we'll see. I'm keeping an eye on it and seeing what pops up from it. Trying to see if I have any other things bookmarked. Not a lot, man. Last 48 hours I've been playing Tolenverse like a fucking madman. I pretty much almost like maxed all my stamps out. I maxed out like every fucking thing. So Kenny, I'm still taking the over that I'm going to be 250K next week. So, we'll see if that ends up happening or not.
I think that is wishful thinking, brother. I hope you're right.
Yeah, I hope I am too. But it was definitely a lot of game playing over the last 24 hours. But I was fucking rocking it out. So
you should have heard him last night when the third boss materialized. The third boss in Tolenverse is a big fucking rat. Literally, it says big fucking rat. He's like, oh my God, there's a big fucking rat.
I didn't know what was going on. Oh man. Yeah, it was the game is a lot of fun. I have had a lot of fun playing it. They looks like the game is down right now. I don't know how long this normally take. Oh no, I guess it's So
you got the cold sweats going on?
No. I was
through
just checking
withdrawal?
it. No, I was just checking it out. So I guess now they go to practice mode until they distribute all the rewards, I guess, for the new week. And yeah, kind of go from there. Kyle, what do you think I ended up at on the total power board? Where do you think my rank was on the leaderboard?
Oh, I don't. I'm gonna guess mid 200s. Say 247.
It was a 133.
Damn, dude.
Is where I was at. Yeah,
This guy played this game for like 3 days and 2x my position on the leaderboard.
2 days.
Oh,
2 days. 2 days in. I probably played a total, I'm going to say maybe a total of 4 to 5 hours of the game.
Literally from after the space till last night, every time I talked to you, you were playing Dolanverse.
Yeah, but it wasn't like all the time. Like the only time I'd be in VC was the time I was playing. Like I got off the space yesterday. I had a bunch of shit I had to go do. The peak run board, my rank is 460.
Just wait till he shows up next week bitching about having carpal tunnel there, Kenny. It's coming.
I said that last night. I said, I can't even fucking type, bro. My hands are stuck in fucking WSD fucking like my fucking hands are just locked up and all arthritic and shit. So yeah, this is definitely not a young man's fucking it's definitely not a young man's sport here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can't be as bad as tap trips for carpal tunnel.
Oh man, tap trips. Fuck that shit. Jesus Christ.
Dude, the dumb shit that I did for tap. I used to fucking kneel at the side of my bed because the mattress had a little bit of bounce to it that would like bring the phone back up to my fingers even faster. Like, dude, the amount of time and effort and
dude, motherfuckers had massage guns out, like fucking tapping their screen on their phone, right? For like,
I'm sure those guys got some use out of those massage guns later on, though. I'm saying a lot of unhappy wives that didn't leave that might have. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Man's Chads are now sitting at $4.90 floor price, 0.0031. So GG's to anybody that got into that. I'm sure this will get
cooked.
Huh?
Nothing.
No, what'd you say?
I said we're fucking cooked, bro.
Oh, because Man's Chads are the leading
no, like because we're getting excited about something being up to $5.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. I am about to
Danny, dude. I swear we're gonna sell in May next year, dude.
Yeah, I'm not holding these things. I don't think they do anything, Kyle. I'm listing all of mine. That'll be a 2x. So
nice. We got to get all the fucking Jeets out, dude.
We got
to get the Jeets out before we go to 1/8, buddy.
Fucking Jeets out. Fucking Man's Chads in. That's going to be your next GM post tomorrow, along with your fucking ETH pings that I weethed the fuck out of those things too. So they are now gone as well. Hey, I hope anyone that got in it made a bag. I bought it 0.005. So hopefully they end up selling, and yeah, I'll take a 2x. I'm tired of holding, trying to shoot for fucking 10x's and above. Like, we're not going to see that right now, not with big collections, but this one's only 4K. So
no NPCs
free. I know, but bro, NPCs was such a like a rare thing,
dude. Rock bottom, they're sitting at 0.0. They're like at $25-$30. Those minted for what, like I think $1 something.
Yeah. Well, all I say is send it and put money back in the account for the next. If you can just 2x 2 or 3 plays a day, you're making a little bag, as long as you're 2x and at least a couple bucks.
Well, and by the way, it's not unlike meme coins. And we've said this before in the last couple of weeks, but it's not unlike meme coins where, like, instead of thinking about them as like, oh, I've got a rare one, like, just sweep 20 or 30 or 40 of them or something, just treat it like a meme coin. Think about it in percentages instead of like ROI on the single token. Because at the end of the day, they're tokens on a blockchain. It's not really that different than a meme coin at this point.
Yeah.
unless it is something that has a team and like you can see something actually developing. But most of these dumbass fucking low cost mints that we've been talking about the last couple weeks, they're meme coins in the forms of NFTs.
Watch all 10 of these things have been 101s. It's my fucking luck. But I still have 6 and I'm going to stagger them. I'm going to stagger the listing up a little bit because people are just buying above the floor anyways. So I'm just going to list them and stagger them up. Yeah, it's not like you can it's not like you can fucking it's not like I'm about to sit here and weeth the next fucking Beeple 101. So especially with 100 and how many 150 101s? That's fucking insane. Yeah.
There's actually a statistical possibility that you did just list a 101 pre-reveal. That'd be so funny.
Probably. But it's all good. It's all good. We make some money and we move on to the next one. I actually like these other ones that we grabbed that Hans had mentioned anyways. The what is it? The Pixona? Yeah, I like these even. I like these better. Even though like OpenSea's only showing 87. Are they actively buying these and burning them now? No. It's only showing 94.45. So they haven't even minted out yet, and the mint's live now. So you can mint 2 per wallet. Oh no, they're gone. Fuck. Like, bro, it just literally went fucking live.
Yeah, those are bots, bro. You can't do anything about the bots.
Cooked. So yeah, if you're gonna look for an entry on Pixona, you could see an opportunity right here. So keep an eye on those. What else do we have going into the weekend? I know there's a GU space happening this weekend, or later on today, so you can go join the Genuine Undead community. In that space, I think it's at like, what is that, like 4 Eastern, Kyle? 4 or 5 Eastern? Somewhere around there. So
speaking of GU, leaderboard, Genuine World Cup 2026. Your boy Kenny Powers in 6th place right now.
Oh, you slipped. Right?
Yeah, a little bit. I was in 5th. Yeah, I just dropped 1 point, one spot. Yeah.
Let me see where old Jesus is at here, dominating the boards. Hans is at 44. I was at 64 last time. I'm in the 70s. I still don't see my name.
How on earth?
How am I not? No, I must have.
Sorry, what leaderboard are you looking at?
Oh, I'm at 61. We're looking at the Genuine Undead prediction games.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where we were at. What is the Bearish one? Does anybody remember that site? Bearish. That's the records thing. We haven't seen a close off to that either. But hey, it's coming, I guess. I'm gonna try and go to Bearish. You didn't do any on the Bearish one, right, Kenny? Fuck.
No, I did not.
Okay.
Did the Bearish one still have the AI options?
Did it? Yeah, it did.
See, I should have done that. I didn't click any buttons on any of the World Cup stuff. Unfortunately, I should have done all of it, and I did none of it.
Yeah.
It's tough being an idiot, Sometimes
it is. My brackets. Let me go to my brackets. I was so excited about being in 3rd place, but then come to realize that there was only 3 people in the match. So, not very well there. I'm 89th in the Zeet Mania out of 101. 61st out of 109 in the Zeet Mania Random. The Burr Random, I'm 135 out of 195. I'm 9th out of 10th place in another ETH one, and 185th out of 225. I
rushing it.
Literally just donated my ETH on that one. But I mean, it was very minimal entry, so it is what it is. Yeah. What What else do we have going on for the day? Oh, Han said Azuki Elemental Sloth for Kenny for your PFP.
Ooh,
Is what he said. So
kind of expensive PFP, but yeah,
yeah,
I could dig it.
bro, I
And
think
Azuki Elemental?
they're like 0.1 each.
The
Kenny will
sloth,
never
though.
have a
No,
Azuki
the
Elemental, dude.
sloth though is like those were like the rarer ones, right?
Some of the animals, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah,
I
the
don't
animals
know.
are.
No, yeah, the animals and the children are the rare ones. But still, I mean, Kenny, I would love to see you put on an anime PFP, but I will make fun of you because you called anime gay for all these years. So, you know.
I can stand on business. I still to this day have never watched anime my entire life.
Bro, like my whole
Yeah, dude.
browser just
Sorry
froze
about
up.
your childhood, brother.
Everything just froze up. I don't even know what to do here.
Especially in your day, dude. Fucking late 80s, early 90s anime is like like pinko fucking schmiko top of the anime mountain, dude. I love that era.
Yeah, no, it wasn't for me, man.
Everything just froze up on me. My whole entire PC.